A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Um, Tabishtu ro kara zabar ro taro wakata
Not Tara. What is this?
taro
No, it is Tura, not Tara.
turo badu zabar ba
Bado Zabarban.
badu zabar ban
Tura. Yes, read.
turo ban wakufan um uh, turoba next wala hello
Yes, next.
acha ha zabar ha
Is it Zabar?
ha zeri what kata ya zabar ya haya
This is not Ya.
sin
Hmm.
sin zabar sa um hinsa
Seen is not going alone. Seen says, I will
oh,
carry someone.
what kata sin sin alif zabar sa
Yes.
hasa
No. Hasa or Hisa?
hisa
Yes, because it is there.
um badul zabarban hisaban wakufan hisaba
Yes.
these two are like the same. You see these, they're like the same.
Yes, almost. Because at the end we have the sound Ba. Tura Ba. Isa Ba. Okay. Now read scene page 2.
Seen page two um ba alif zabir ba taba
Suba.
क्या
Suba.
सुबह वो क्या था तादू तादू जबर तन सुबह तन वकूफन सुबह ता सुबह तीन जैसी रो 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 जबर रो ro alif zabir ro Sarah.
In there C. So it cannot be Sarah. It should be what?
Zero.
Yes.
वो क्या था Um. Uh. Shim do zaberjan shan. Um.
سراجا
Sirajan. Wakufan. Siraj.
it is those zabar, so
Um.
we have to add the sound of alif after waqfan. Sirajan waqfan.
uh, Siraja.
Shabash. Okay, next.
Oh, so ऐसे होता है like every wali have like ye 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 alif beside them.
Because at the end we have two zabar, and whenever we have two zabar at the end, while performing waqf on those two zabar, we must add the sound of alif after waqfan. So sirajan waqfan, siraja. Yes.
Okay, next one. Sin um sin zabersa. What kata? Hamza kara kara zaber sa.
This cannot be Hamza because Hamza does not
Oh yeah.
join. Yes.
Um um alif kara zaber what kata? Sa.
Neither alif can
Mim.
join. Neither alif can join with the letter afterward. So if it was alif or if it was Hamza, it can only be attached to seen because seen is before it, and alif can be attached to the letter before it. Alif can never be attached to a letter that is after alif. Alif comes separate. Like you see, turaban. Ba is before alif. So alif got attached with ba. But alif can never be attached with something that is after that. Like in this example, this is alif, and this is the next word, and alif is separate from the next word. Alif cannot be attached with the letter after it. So this cannot be alif because we see it attached with meme. So it is not alif, neither is it hamza. It is something third.
Ha.
No, it is lam,
Ro.
okay? Lam.
Lam. Lam kara zaber la. Sala.
Yes.
Mim do pesh mun.
Yes.
Salamun.
Khala zabar. Lam has khala zabar, so read it longer.
Sa. 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 Salamun.
Yes.
Exactly. Wakufan. Sumun.
Salamun waqfan salam.
Salam.
Salamun waqfan salam.
Salam.
Okay, next.
Um, Shin. Zeshi. Dal. Dal alif zaberda. Um, Shida.
Shida.
Shida. Dalu peshtun.
Is it page?
Dalu zaberdan.
Yes.
Uh,
Shidadan.
Shidadan.
Waqfan.
Wakufan. Shida.
Shidada.
Shidada. Shin. Zabersha. Ro
Yes.
zaberra. Shara.
Ra.
Sh- Ra alif zaberra.
Yes.
Ra. Shara.
Yes.
Badu zaberban.
Yes.
Sharoban.
Sharaban.
Sharaban. Wakufan.
Sharaba.
Sharaba. Swad zaber swa.
Yes.
Wow zaber wa. Sawa.
Wow. Alif zabar wa.
Wow ali zaber wa. Sawa.
Wawa.
Tuwa.
Bado zabarban.
Badu zaberban.
Ji.
Um, Tawaban.
Sawaban.
Tawaban.
Sawaban.
Tawaban.
Sawaban.
Sawaban.
Waqfan.
Wakufan.
Sawaba.
Sawaba.